Welcome to Yacht and Hub Miami, the Yacht and Cruise Spotter channel. Let me know which one of these 5 cruise ships was your favorite. Leave your comment below and let's see who wins this. Thanks for your support, and I'll be bringing you more cruise ships this week. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and remember that you can see all my videos in full screen in YouTube, also Instagram, and now TikTok. So I hope you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Have a great day.